In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link to a GitHub repository. Sharing your work or a project stored on GitHub is an essential skill, whether you're a developer showcasing your portfolio, an educator sharing resources, or just collaborating with others. Let's walk through the simple process together, step by step. First, you need to open your web browser and navigate to GitHub's website. It's a platform primarily used for version control and collaborative software development, and you'll usually have an account already set up if you're continuing with this task. Once you're on GitHub's homepage, go ahead and log in if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll find yourself on your personal dashboard or wherever you last left off on the site. Next, you'll want to open the repository you intend to share. You can easily find this by looking through your repositories section. This section is usually accessible from your profile page under the heading Repositories. Clicking on that will bring you to a list of all repositories you currently have. Once you locate the one you want to share, click on its name. This action will navigate you directly into the repositories page, displaying its contents and overall overview. This repository page is where everyone else lands too when they click on the link you will be sharing. Now, once the repository page is open, the next step is to copy the URL. This URL is located in the address bar of your browser. It's that long web address at the top of the page. Simply move your cursor to the address bar, highlight the entire URL, right-click, and select Copy, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. The URL would look something like this: https://github.com, username, repository. This link is a direct path back to the repository, and capturing it accurately is vital. With the link copied, you are now all set to share it. Where you choose to share this link is entirely up to you. You have various options available, from professional platforms to personal messaging services. If you're building a professional profile online, consider sharing the link on LinkedIn. Including it in your resume is another great option, offering potential employers a direct view of your projects and capabilities. For more casual sharing, you might paste it into an email to a friend, send it through WhatsApp, or drop it in a Discord channel. Remember, as you work with the link, keep a backup to avoid losing it. Having it saved somewhere accessible can save you time if you need to share it again in the future. And there you have it, a straightforward way to share your GitHub repository link. It's always a good idea to double-check the link before you share it, ensuring it directs others precisely where you want them to go. By mastering these steps, you'll facilitate smoother collaborations and showcase your work effortlessly to the world.